Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to unhide video in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, you want to unhide your videos, so guys you can unhide it. In this video guys, I will show you how to unhide. Example for guys, you have hide some videos, so you want to unhide, so you can unhide. Guys, first of all open your this Google file. Then guys click on the save to folder, and guys click on your videos. So guys, which video guys? Example for guys, I am taking this video, and guys you can see this three dot. So guys click here, and guys move out of save folder. So guys this video will unhide, guys you can see. So guys now we have this video. So I hope friends you have understood how to unhide video in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.